Okay. Let us start the class. So we will do the code practice. In the previous session we tried to understand somewhat topics in HTML. So now let us try to do the code practicing in Notepad. I told you that Notepad is the text editor. We need to write the code in Notepad and that is to be saved, and that whenever we open that file, that will be read by your browser. Okay, let us start. First of all, we need to say that declaration of HTML document, that is, I told you that it is to be written doc type. This is indicating that, okay, HTML. So this is the declaration of HTML document. We need to keep exclamation mark here. HTML means this is the HTML5 version. Okay, then after we need to keep the root element. That is what your HTML is, the root element, and also it is called start tag of HTML. Otherwise you can say HTML section. Next, body section, and the body, under the body section, body element with the start tag. Then after, come down, close with HTML. Okay, end tag, close with HTML end tag. Okay, now then before body to be closed, body. Now the structure we have made. So I told you that now within the body section, body element started with the body start tag, body end tag. Within this, whatever we write, that will be displayed in your web page. Okay, now try to write the code. If you are not able to see the code, whether I can zoom. I want to zoom here so that you can now within this. I told you that whatever. First of all, let us write the code for the header section. Header, this is the H1 indicating that header, start tag, the content is what, keep any content like famous, in capital letters, famous warriors. Okay, famous warriors. This is the content. Then close with, okay, close with what, end tag. Next, paragraph, start with start tag. Okay, then content. This is the paragraph of heading. Okay, keep anything like what, you know, biography, of warriors, Rana Pratap. Okay, next, end with what, end with end tag. Now your paragraph, your header defined. Okay, now if you want to keep any style in HTML, under this style, okay, style is what, style, color, See, now what happened, the titled header famous warriors, paragraph biography of Rana Pratap. So paragraph is styled with this attribute, style attribute. P means for style for paragraph is equal to, I told you that every attribute will be assigned with a value. This is the value, red color. Okay, always the value to be kept in double quotation marks, and then this ended with the end tag. This is the content if you want to keep any content. Okay, otherwise if you don't want to keep, no necessary. Next, style is for what? Header section, header H1 famous warriors, that is to be styled with the color yellow. Header, this is the content. Okay, we ended with end tag. Now source image with the image tag, source attribute used to load, to keep the photo, whatever the photo you want to keep in your web page. Here this is the JPG photo. Okay, its width is a attribute assigned with the value 300 pixels, height 300 pixels. Now I told you that it is a tag for hyperlink. This is the attribute hyperlink reference. Here we need to mention the website address. Okay, and then that is to be ended with the end tag of your a start tag for hyperlink, a end tag. This is the content. Body closed, HTML closed. Now once you save this as whatever the name you want to keep, but always keep a folder. I have opened, create a new folder in documents, the folder in my web. Within this you try to save this as hypertext markup language file with any name. Then after, okay, now open your file explorer. From there try to found your folder where you have opened my folder, my web. So within this documents, here try to keep that photo, that should be part of that photo, whatever the photo that must be stored in your folder. Okay, this is the web page. Okay, open that one. So now try to understand famous warriors. This is the heading and this is the photo I want to keep in my web page. The header is colored, okay. Paragraph is colored, but paragraph, this is to be colored. Okay, header is colored, not header is colored. Okay, let us see. Here is the link, hyperlink. I have visited this website. If you click here, so you will be able to see that website yahoo.com, because I have given the hyperlink there. Okay, so here, because I have given this is the https yahoo.com address I have given. So whenever you have click, you keep your mouse here, you will get the hyperlink symbol, hand symbol, so that you, whenever you click this, and you will visit that website. Okay, next is what? Style. But our header, paragraph and header, they are not colored. We need to check back that. Okay, now this is the code we have written for this. Your web page is like this. Okay, so this is the background color, and this is the header colored with yellow, and this is the paragraph. This is the image that is being displayed in your web page. This is the link. Whenever you click on this link, you will be able to go into another website, Yahoo. So the code we have written for this is that header is styled with attribute color. Okay, this is the value, this is the content famous warriors style. Paragraph is styled with the attribute color red. This is the